May the 4th be with you. Some people call today Star Wars Day because the date, May the 4th, sounds a lot like a key phrase from the movies, May the Force be with you. To celebrate, we're going to do a fun activity that demonstrates how circuits work. First, print the template that we've linked to in our post, and make sure you print it double-sided. You will also need conductive copper tape, a 3-volt coin cell battery, an LED diode, a LilyPad button board, scissors, an Xacto knife, a drinking straw, and clear tape. First, get an adult to carefully use scissors or an Xacto knife to cut the small dotted lines by the words "Cut for LED." Follow the directions on the template while you place your copper tape, battery, and LilyPad button board switch. You'll want to maintain a continuous strip of copper tape, except in the spot where it tells you to cut it and in the spot where the button board switch goes. With most types of copper tape, when you come to corners, you must fold at a 45-degree angle and then back 180 degrees. Fold the template and insert the LED legs through the holes with the longer leg going on the left. Then tape the legs to the copper tape inside. Choose what color straw you will use for your lightsaber. Next, cut about a 2-inch piece from the straw. Place the straw over the LED, then bend them down towards the paper and tape them in place. What color lightsaber will you choose? Green for the good guys or red for the dark side? Show us in the comments. See you next time.